Rearview Media presents Chief Meteorologist Ryan Assarian with your local forecast.
Hey everybody, it's Fairfield U meteorologist Ryan Assarian here with an update on your forecast. It's been a beautiful couple of days here, but we do have severe weather on the horizon as we head throughout the day on Thursday and into the overnight hours into Friday. So let's show you what we are expecting here. A cold front will be approaching, and it's a powerful cold front. Now, there was some debate whether this cold front was going to plummet temperatures like it did out in the Midwest, but right now it looks like we have enough lift from the south, which is going to keep temperatures in the 60s throughout Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is a good thing, but because there is some lift in the atmosphere from the south, that will create some instability as this front comes through, which could create some spin-ups or an isolated tornado in spots. So you're going to want to be aware of that if you're going out throughout the day tomorrow. So overnight tonight on Wednesday night, notice temperatures fall back into the mid-50s. Clouds will start filtering in, isolated drizzle in the morning, and then we start to see more moderate banding of showers into the afternoon. Most of it should be light, but then notice the areas in yellow and red. So as we approach the evening hours, let's say 7 o'clock on Thursday, that's where you're seeing those heavy downpours. You're seeing some whites integrated with those purples. That's the area where we could see some rotation in there. And then you're seeing that continue as we go overnight from Thursday night and into Friday morning before this front finally pushes on through. And you're seeing temperatures rebound nicely on Friday as well. We'll be up in the 60s, approaching 63, 64 degrees. So it should be an okay day on Friday afternoon once this front finally pulls on out of here. Wind gusts. Now watch what happens here, again, throughout the day on Thursday. Wind gusts generally will be light in the morning and then pick up and ramp up in intensity, especially as that front approaches, 25 to 30 miles per hour during the day. But notice as the line gets very close to us, and that's where we have those thunderstorms, it becomes 35 to 40 miles per hour. And then I want you to notice the left side and the right side as the forward progression continues into the overnight hours on Friday. You've got 40 to 50 mile per hour winds. That's indicated on the right side of your screen there, as you see those reds and deep purples. And on the left side, you've got the lighter winds. But notice the wind direction. They're very, very opposite of each other. You've got the right side with the southeast. That's giving you that southerly flow. And you've got the northerly winds coming out of the northwest on the left side, indicated by green there. And anything along that line is going to create some rotation as this front continues to push on through. So that's why we're thinking that there's going to be a good chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. So you're going to want to have your weather app open, and if you get any alerts from the emergency system saying that there's a tornado in the area, get shelter and be prepared. Now, in general, again, this map is going to be showing you when's the best chance of seeing those real severe weather here. It's after 7 o'clock Thursday night and into the overnight hours on Friday. But again, we see clearing as we approach the AM, more like the morning commute as we go into Friday morning. Take a look here as we look at the next surface analysis map over the next 3 days here. Once that front finally pushes through, high pressure will be coming in for the weekend, which means we are expecting a dry weekend, but it won't last for too long as we expect a front to set up across the eastern seaboard. It doesn't look very strong, but there will be moisture associated with it, so light rain showers on Monday and Tuesday before another front comes through, cools us down. High pressure will build in after that, but I think temperatures will start to bottom out and feel more like fall. So here's your 7-day forecast again. We're partly cloudy after this front moves through, but we do have severe weather. Tomorrow on Thursday is a severe weather alert day. Friday and Saturday, we're clear. Notice temperatures don't really move much. We'll be in the 60s, up near 70 most days. And then finally, we'll be cooling off, feeling more like fall on Monday and Tuesday with increasing rain chances. I'm Fairfield's U meteorologist Ryan Assarian for the Rearview Media.